A new NYU study shows those Russian twitbots had little to no effect on the 2016 U.S. presidential election. This is Katy Craig in San Diego, California. It's generally well known and documented that the Russians attempted to meddle in the 2016 election. However, the notion that the propaganda amounted to anything more than headlines and hearings is simply a matter of faith. The NYU study found that Russia's Twitter campaign had no effect in part due to the fact that so few people saw it. Moreover, those who were exposed to the Russian tweets were unlikely to need to be swayed. Those who identified as strong Republicans were exposed to approximately 9 times more posts from Russian foreign influence accounts than Democrats or independents. Apparently, they were screaming into an echo chamber. This is Katy Craig. Stay safe out there.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.